Good morning. So today we are going to make some vegetable soup. So I already had some carrot that I cut it up. I also cut up the tomato. Potato, I'm gonna cut that up when I'm in a little bit, and then a little spinach. And we're gonna have to use some salt, black pepper, and I am going to chop up some garlic. And then we also do need the chicken broth. All right, we're gonna get started cooking. All right, so we're gonna start out with, we're gonna put some olive oils in the pot. It's kind of chilly out today, so we decided to make some soup. Okay, I like to stir fry my carrot because what it does is it helps to cook the soup a lot faster, and then the carrots will get very tender. So that's where we're gonna start. So I had chopped up some garlic. It's up to you if you want a little garlic taste to your soup or not. It's up to your taste. We do, so I'm just gonna put some garlic in here. And as you can see, I don't have to wait for the oil to heat up. I can just you'll be able to, if you want to, you can cut it smaller. We like it more chunky. As you can see, even the tomato that we cut up is more chunky. I will do the same thing with the potato. Alright, so we're just going to cook this up for about 5 minutes. Alright, so I actually have the heat on high, and as you can see, I'm constantly stirring it because I don't want the garlic to burn. Okay, so if you do it with garlic, make sure you don't burn the garlic. Alright, as you can see, the garlic is getting a little bit brown. So if you think that you don't want it to really burn, turn the heat down to medium. Okay, and then just keep stir frying it. Now it's been 5 minutes, so I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna add about that much water in here. So what that does is I'm just gonna let it slowly simmer for about 10 minutes before I add the tomato. All right, so we're just gonna let it simmer. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes. As you can see, the carrot looks more tender now. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in, actually I cut these potato up and I'm gonna add them in here. Alright, so, and I'm also going to be adding the tomato. And then I'm going to add in the chicken broth. Hopefully I won't spill it. Alright, so I'm just going to let it slowly simmer for another 15 minutes. And then I'll check back on it before I add any seasoning in here. Okay, put it on medium-low and let it slowly simmer. Make sure you cover up the pot. Alright, it's been 15-20 minutes, so take a look. I'm sure it's already done. The potato's done. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and add in the spinach. You can have more spinach if you like. Okay. And then now I'm just gonna put in some salt and pepper. Put in some salt. Again, it's to your taste, okay? and then what I did is we decided that we want to add a little bit of pasta to the soup. So we had cooked some over there, and then I'm just going to add on to the soup. It's the macaroni. You can add any kind of pasta you like. Okay, so I already make these. I'm going to add it onto the soup. Alright, so I'm going to add some pasta in here. And then bring it to boil for about a couple minutes, and then the soup should be done. Alright, I'm going to put just that much for now. Alright. So this is going to be your vegetable soup. You should give it a try since now winters is around the corner. Soup is good. Alright, so this is an easy recipe for vegetable soup. Give it a try and enjoy it.